So we're gonna start just by preheating the oven to 350. So we're gonna start with just inputting the brownie mix in. So I just took this out of the box. This is what it looks like. And you're gonna cut a little hole and pour it all in. Once it's in, just give it a shake, and then we're gonna add 2 eggs. So once the eggs are in, you're gonna pour out 1/4 of olive oil or vegetable oil, it doesn't matter. And you're gonna add it. And then we're gonna need 2 teaspoons of water. So there's the first teaspoon. So once that's mixed together, I'm gonna get my mini eggs and crush them up into a bowl. You can cut them, you can use a spoon. I'm just gonna use a big spoon and crush them. I actually don't think I'm going to crush them. I think it's better if I just leave them like this. And then you're just going to pour them in and mix them into the mix. So once you pour your brownie mix in the pan, you're gonna put it in the oven for 33 to 35 minutes. And by then, should be done. So after 33 to 35 minutes, you can take it out and it should look kind of like this, fully cooked.